Hello guys, remember in the last in the videos this week I told you about this TV. It's a Romanian brand, Sport 321. Today I want to see if it works. If not, I'm gonna take it apart. I wanna see what's inside, or even try to sell it or to give it to somebody who likes vintage electronics. So I wanna plug it in and see what we got. So let's see. I hope it doesn't pop on me. Doesn't. Okay. So the sound is working, but the screen doesn't show anything. Okay. That video. Okay, it's working. Yeah. So I have a guy that likes vintage stuff. Maybe he will want this. We will see. So the TV is working. My curiosity was to see what's inside either ways. So this is the main board. There is the yoke. Have some transformers here. Speaker. Power transistor over there. So it's not really old one with the vacuum tubes. It's a kinda regular one with components. So yeah, now I know what's inside too. And also used scrappers. Old TVs are not that good at, you know, refining and getting precious metals. So guys, the scrapping month is over. I'm back to work. There was no other loads for me. I didn't get any scrap, so it was a good month to relax. And now maybe I will have I'll have US pickups, and definitely I will record them, but for now this is it. I hope you enjoyed this journey. I did, so thank you for watching.